ensuring that every person has the opportunity to thrive and contribute to the common good. The H for we change, health and social services. Our municipal health office has been providing health care services to every pamilya Populano, with 3 doctors rendering various health services. 23,014 consultations from all ages have been given. Kaniadto, doon natin free medical and various diagnostic tests susama sa CBC, urinalysis, and tool exam. Kalakip ang line-in services. Karon, atong kalipay, nga ang kanhing rural health unit o Bohol, kay tawag na nga Bohol Primary Care Facility. Because this 2024, we have now been offering 5 following services to Populanos: X-ray, pharmacy, lying-in, laboratories, and minor surgeries. Even ang Maharlika Care Portable Medical Laboratory Equipment worth 2.6 million from our very own Nurse Lady Araneta Luis Araneta Marcos. Salamat. And of course, padayon usab kita sa PhilHealth Accredited Facility. Accredited